Stop scrolling. Let us solve this physics likely question together. What is the cost of running 550 watt lamp and 400 watt lamp for 10 hours if electrical energy costs 2 kobo per kilowatt per hour? So the formula for cost equals energy consumed multiplied by cost per kilowatt per hour multiplied by cost per kilowatt per hour. So we have not calculated the energy consumed, and to calculate the energy consumed, energy equals P, which is power, multiplied by time. So to get our power, we have two power. We need to calculate for the first power, which is 50 watt lamp and 400 watt lamp. So we need to calculate for the power. We have two power. The first one here, which is 50 watt, and the second one, which is 100 watt. So for the first power, that will be step one. Total power for 50 watts equals 5 multiplied by 50 watts. That is how we get our total power. It means 50 watts in 5 places. 50 watts in 5 places. So 5 multiplied by 50 will give us 250 watts. 250 watts. Let's also calculate for 100 watt lamp. Total power for 100 watts equals, it means 100 watts in 4 places. So 4 multiplied by 100 watts. So 4 multiplied by 100 watts will give us 400 watts. And we cannot leave it like that because we have to calculate it in kilowatt per hour. So we have to convert this watt to kilowatt. How do we convert to kilowatt? We divide by 1000. So 250 divided by 1000, it will give us 0.25. If we give us 0.25, you can press your calculator to confirm that. That will now be 0.25 kilowatt. So let's do the same for 400 watts. 400 divided by 1000 will give us 0.40 kilowatts. You can press your calculator. 400 divided by 1000 equals 0.40 kilowatt. You can also write as 0.4 kilowatts. So the next thing to do, after calculating the total power for each lamp, the next thing to do is to sum up the power. So let's clean the board. So to sum up the power, the total power for 50 watts is 0.25 plus the total power for 100 watt lamp is 0.40. So 0.25 plus 0.40 will give us 0.65 kilowatts. 0.65 kilowatts. Now, this is our power. This is our what? This is our power. And our time is 10 hours. Before, we used to convert 10 hours to seconds, but we are not going to convert it. Why? Because we have to calculate it in kilowatt per hour, not per minute or per seconds. So our energy, we can now use this formula. Our energy equals P, which is 0.65 kilowatt multiplied by 10 hours. So our energy equals, let's press our calculator, 0.65 multiplied by 10 will give us 6.5. It will give us 6.5, not only 6.5, 6.5 kilowatt per hour. So now we know our energy. We know our energy consumed. Our energy consumed is 6.5 kilowatt per hour. And cost per kilowatt per hour means 2 kobo. Our cost is 2 kobo. It says if electrical energy costs 2 kobo per kilowatt per hour. So now let's solve for cost. Cost equals energy multiplied by cost per kilowatt per hour. And our energy consumed is 6.5 kilowatt per hour multiplied by 2 kobo. multiplied by 2 kobo. And if you multiply it, our cost is now 13 kobo. 13 kobo. But we have to convert 13 kobo to naira. 100 kobo is 1 naira, and to convert from 13 kobo to naira, we divide by 100. So 13 kobo divided by 100, it will give us 0.13 naira. 0.13 naira. You can press your calculator to confirm that. 13 divided by 100 will give us 0.13 naira. So let's check here. Yeah, you can find 0.13 in option D, which is the correct answer. If you need more lessons like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you are interested in tutorial, just chat this number to join the tutorial. Chat this number right here to join the tutorial. And make sure you share this video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep practicing.